السلام عليكم. معكم المدرس البراء من مركز الخوارزمي في اسطنبول. Today we are going to explain the order of operations. So now if we look at this question, we see many operations. So for example, here we have subtraction, here we have division, and here we have multiplication, and here we have division. So what if we see an exercise like this? So do we start from left to right, or is there any order that we have to go through? Actually, here in this case, we can't just start from left to right. There is a specific order that we have to go through. So first, we have to start with the bracket and the fraction bar. After that, we start with the power and the radical. Then we start with the multiplication, the division, and finally, we start with the plus and minus. Now here, as you can see, we have a bracket, so we look inside the bracket, and inside the bracket we have the fraction bar, and we have to start with the fraction bar. In the fraction bar we have power and we have minus, so we start with the power. 5 squared is 25. Now we have to solve the fraction bar, so 25 minus 13. Now 25 minus 13 is 12. So what do we have now? 11 minus 20 divided by 12 over 3 plus 8 multiplied by 2. Now here we have to solve the fraction. 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Now what do we have here? Minus, multiply, divide, and plus. So we start with the divide, right? Now let's write this again. 11 minus 20 divided by 4 plus 8 multiplied by 2. So here we start with the division. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now here we have 11 minus 5, which is 6, plus 8, which is 14. Yeah? 14 multiplied by 2 is 20. Actually, these types of exercises, you don't need to solve it by your hand. You can use the Casio calculator to solve it. So let's open a bracket, and we write 11 minus 20 divided by, we write a fraction bar, then we put 5 squared minus 13 divided by 3. Then here we add 8, and we close the bracket, and we multiply by 2. As you can see here, I'm sorry, here we have to fix the... Yeah, so here if we click equals, as you can see, the answer is 28. So it's easier to solve these types of exercises using Casio calculator. See you in the next video.